Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Daisy, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Kanika Anand, Principal of New Pune Public School, Nigadi, Pune, shared her concerns about the CBSE's introduction of two board exams, stating that while it may benefit students, it places a significant burden on teachers. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what ma'am had to say.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We have with us a very special guest. She is an educator from Pune. She is Miss Kanika Anand, Principal, New Pune Public School, Nigadi, Pune. So, welcome to the summit, ma'am. How's the experience been here?
It's been really great. Yeah, looking forward to another panel as well.
Okay, that's great, ma'am. So, first of all, tell us about how's your school is, doing better in the field of experiencing learning. And it's not just about the books and, all that hard stuff.
Alright, so I'm heading New Pune Public School, and it's a legacy school established in 1964. And of course, apart from the regular curriculum, as in experiential learning is involved, our children are into many things. To name a few, our children are also learning finances at a very young age. From grade 3, they are being literate on financial aspects. They do have a lot of projects wherein they go home, get to understand the budgeting. So that is one part of it. Another is, they do get to learn cold cooking in school, which is very, very important for girls as well as for boys. So that is how, we are instilling those skills on our children. Yeah.
And that's great to hear, ma'am. So apart from this, what are your thoughts on the CBSE introducing two board exams from the next year? So, and how's you preparing for it?
See, it's debatable. Personally, if you ask it, I'm not in for it.
Okay.
Because I think that will take a lot of time of the teachers, to go for the invigilation duties, for the spot evaluation, corrections. And when I look at on the other side, from the student's perspective, I think CBSE board is becoming easier and easier, and student-friendly. As in earlier, maths, basic and standard, our time it was not like that. If you fail in maths, you were,
That's a board.
yeah. So, and if you fail in maths, you are a failure, right? So here in that fear is not there now. And of course, with two boards, I'm sure that children are very, very happy because they get to improve on their marks as well. But if you ask me personally as an educator, I'm not in for it. No.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what are your thoughts on how we can change the future of learning with so much of technology coming in, and teachers are somewhere struggling to keep up with the new age of technology and trying their hard, and how teachers can and the school as well as get in partnership and develop the skills which are needed for the students of tomorrow.
Yeah, so I don't think we need to change learning. We have to evolve with the time.
Okay.
And we are doing so. And I strongly believe that teachers do have those magic wands, So nothing is impossible for them. So whatever new comes up, of course, we come from an old school wherein we are not that tech savvy. But of course, I've seen as an educator, as a leader, that we are very, very progressive in that manner. And our teachers also are very, very progressive. So they do get curious to learn new things, So that's not a challenge, I guess.
Absolutely, ma'am. That's for sure. And are you excited for your panel?
I am, because I'm the moderator. I'm leading it. I'm being given a hell lot of responsibility to make sure that everyone, follows the rules and follows the timelines. So, of course, yeah.
So I'll not take much of your time. She's just to go for the panel. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Have you.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.